guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have this Math Olympiad challenge on the board, and then we are to find the integral values of x, y, and z, for which x, y plus z equals to 2020 and x plus y, z equal to 2021. So these two questions look very interesting, and then we are going to attempt to solve. We have solution. Okay, before we continue, please, if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And then if you're a returning subscriber, I will urge you to give me a like, share this video, and then of course, give me your wonderful comment. Thank you. Let's go. So we have this. I'm going to form two equations. First, I have xy plus z equal to 2020. That's equation 1. Then of course, x plus yz equal to 2021, equation 2. So the thing we're going to do is, let's look at the right hand side of the equation. This is 2021, 2022. So numerically, equation 2 is greater than equation 1. So it makes sense to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. You will say subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Once that is done, so we're going to go ahead and say x plus yz minus xy plus z equal to 2021 minus 2020. So this will give us x plus yz minus xy minus z equal to 1. And so what we're going to do is to group the terms as x minus xy plus yz minus z equal to 1. Okay, so next we go on to say we factorize the two terms separately. So this will give us x is common here. We have x open bracket 1 minus y plus z open bracket y minus 1 equal to 1. So we move over to this end of the board. Sorry about that. Okay, so what we now have to do is to look at these the two expressions within the brackets. This is 1 minus 1, 1 minus y, and then here we have y minus 1. What do we do here? I'm going to express both in the same form. So what I need to do, I put down this plus, so I'm going to factorize minus 1 out from here. So I'm going to have, okay, so that will be times, okay. So what I'm going to do is that, so I factorize minus 1. So that minus, we change this to minus. So I have minus z bracket. So this now becomes 1 minus y. The reason is simple. Minus times 1 is minus 1. Minus times minus y will give me plus y. So this expression is okay. So now let's look at the two. Let's further factorize. Since 1 minus y is now common, we are going to say y minus 1 minus y, 1 minus 1. So we have y 1 minus y times x minus z equal to 1. So since on the left hand side we are having a product, we can also write the right hand side, express the right hand side as also as a product. And we know that 1 can actually give us 1 times 1. It can also give us minus 1 times minus 1. So we have two cases here. So that means that we are going to have 1 minus y equal to 1. Then we also have x minus z equal to 1. This is case 1. This is case 1. Then for case 2, we are going to also have y, 1 minus y equal to minus 1. Then of course we have x minus z equal to minus 1. We call this, this is case 2. So let's look at the two cases. Let's look at the two cases. So what we are going to do now is that for case 1, let's look at case 1. We have 1 minus y equal to 1. So that means minus y will be equal to 1 minus 1 minus y will be equal to 0, and then y will be equal to 0. That's for case 1. If y equals to 0, what will be the value of z? So we use equation 1. From equation 1, we have xy plus z equal to 20. Y is 0, so that gives x times 0 plus z equal to 20. And therefore, z will be equal to 20. I hope that is clear. Z equal to 20. Now, still dealing with case 1, if we have y and z to be the values given, what will then be the value of x? What will be the value of x? So what we are going to do is to substitute, still in equation 1, we are going to substitute also from equation 1, that is xy plus z equal to 20. We know from these two cases that y equals to 0 and y equal to 0 and okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to use equation 2. Let's use equation 2, okay? Let's use equation 2, rather. X plus yz equal to 20. So y is 0. 0 times z, 20 equal to 2021. So x plus 0 equal to 2021. So that means that x equal to 2021. Therefore, for the first case, x is 2021, y is 0, and then z is 20. What's the value of z? 2020. Good. Now let's move over to case 2. For case 2, what do we have? We have 1 minus y equal to minus 1, and then z, x minus z equal to minus 1. As usual, from here, 1 minus y equal to minus 1, minus y equals to minus 1 minus 1, minus y equal to minus 2. And so that will give us y to be equal to 2. So if y equals to 2, then we can say clearly, if y equal to 2, we can now go back to using equation, okay, using equation, okay, so using equations 1 and 2, using equations 1 and 2. So equation 1, since y equal to 2, equation 1 becomes 2x plus z equal to 2020, and then x plus 2z equal to 2021. So what I'm going to do now is to eliminate z. In that case, I multiply this by 2 and multiply this by 1. So I want to eliminate z to determine the value of x. So this will give me 4x plus 2z equal to 40. Then of course this gives me x plus 2z equal to 2021. Once we use the elimination method, this will give me 3x equal to this and this will go. So I have 40 minus 2021. So what do I have? I have 9, 3, sorry, what would this give? This will give me 1, 2019. Is it divisible? Let us see. 2019 divided by 3, this is 6. There's 7, 3. So divide both sides by 3. We have 2019 divided by 3. So x will give me 673. So that's for x. So to find, since we have gotten the value of y, we know the value of x, we can easily find z. Note or recall that x minus z equal to minus 1. And since x is 673 minus z equal to minus 1. So minus z equal to minus 1 minus 673. So z minus z. So from here we have, from that end, we are going to get minus z to be equal to minus 674. So z will be 674. Since minus and minus from both sides, we cancel out each other. Therefore, for case 2, x is 673, y is 2, and z is 674. We have come to the end of the class. Thank you very much for staying by, standing by, and then watch me solve this interesting pair of algebraic equations. So please, I'll see you in the next class. Give my video a thumbs up and then be good to yourself. Thank you.